These are Spy Frazier frames. Now I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the lenses. So to remove the lens, you're going to pull outward on the upper part of the frame while pushing down on the lens, like so. Again, pull outward and push down. Once you've done so, to reinstall the frame, or reinstall the lens, you're going to take the far side of it and you're going to place it into the grooves on the far side of the frame. You want to make sure that it is fit snugly, and all you have to do is push down on the rest of the exposed parts of the lens. You should hear a click. You take the far side of the lens and place it into the far side of the frame, like so, and you just push and push.